Okay, so we've got a 2014 Kia Rio S 3-door manual hatchback in white. Travelled 33,000 Ks. It's a 6-year-old car with a 7-year warranty, so you've got the balance of factory warranty for the next 12 months. It is a little low on rego, but we'll add some rego for you. But the exterior of the vehicle presents in pretty good condition and represents great value for money at $10,999. Let's take a look at the interior. So you've got your Bluetooth connectivity on your steering wheel there, driver airbag. There's your kilometres there. Oh, my apologies, 37,000 Ks. Got the Bluetooth stereo there, air conditioning. It is a 6 speed manual. Driver's seat in excellent condition. Got the side airbags there as well. There's your back seats there in excellent condition. I'll show you inside the boot. Quite impressive. Nice big deep boot. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.